Okay, so now let's look at setting up the summative assessment. So back to content, and as we can see right now, the summative assessment has nothing in there. What we'll do for a summative assessment is we'll actually create a two-part quiz. So it'll be like two quizzes for each competency element that reviews the items for competency element 1 and 2. So what we'll do here is create a quiz, and we'll call it a CE1 summative section summative, and we'll publish that, and we'll add that grade item that we had earlier, save, and we'll do the exact same thing for a second quiz, CE2 section summative, and publish that, and add a grade. I mean, while I'm at it, what I'll do here is I'll right now go in quiz setup, assessment, and click my two check boxes. Save and close, and I'll do that for my CE1 quiz. Okay, so this being done right here, boom. See. Now, an important thing here is we want our summative assessment to only be available if students have passed with a 60% grade their formative assessment, 1 for competency element 1 and competency element 2. So what I'll do here is add restrictions to the summative assessment. So I'll create restrictions, and here what I'll do is go into grades. I'll go in value and grades, and I'll select CE1 formative. And what I want this to be is you'll have access to this quiz or to this section if you've reached 60% on the CE1 formative. And this is the first condition. Second condition in this case would be, let's create a second condition. So I'll create a second condition saying kind of the same thing, but for the formative 2. So CE2 formative, and I want that to be over 60. So here all conditions must be met, meaning that the student must have 60 on both formative quizzes to be able to see the summative assessment, right? So there we go. We've just set up some conditions on a module here on the content. So this is very important. This is where we kind of can play with how things will show up depending on students' progress within the course.